Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic Z from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your angel's message, what you need to know right now or for your future, what's coming next. And I also have some charms for you as you requested. So, friends, this is a new pick a card reading. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime and it will resonate with you. And also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, because every time you subscribe, like and share, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One lucky random winner will be selected for a free reading. Yes, yoo-hoo! So let's take a deep breath. Today's choices are very, I don't know, these are tags. Yeah. So let's take Christmas tags. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1. This beautiful Christmas tree, the tree charm. Option number 2, the bell. No, the ornament, the round ball, I don't know, round ornament. Option number 3, the bottle. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose the number you have chosen. You can also watch the entire reading. Also, friends, you can take time to pause the video and choose. Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful tree, very sparkly. Look at that. I think it has sparkles, if you can see. So let's see, what is the angel's message? This is your advice, extra oracle messages. Let's see. Charms also we have here. What does the angels want you to know? Wow. All right. I think right now you're waiting for things, you're really waiting. Things are not moving forward. It is like you're waiting for things to manifest. Maybe money is not coming in your life. Money is very slow. You have money worries, financial worries. Even if you are a student, you feel worried how your future will be. In love life, I feel you are dealing with someone who is not talking to you or sharing your heart, sharing their emotions. So you are also not feeling very ready right now for for sharing your emotions also. So there is this energy of waiting, and also you feel a lack, like there is a lack. There is a lack of love, there is a lack of money coming your way. So that energy is happening for you right now. But let's see what else. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, life is a bit out of balance for you. Maybe you are doing a lot of work, whether or you are working too much or giving too much of love but not getting it back. So you feel like life is out of balance in love or work or career. So the angel's message is things will change, life will get balanced, for you. Things will get better for you. Don't give up. 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel good people or good opportunities are coming your way. So keep working. Whatever you are doing right now, keep doing it. Don't leave it. Keep doing, keep learning whatever you are doing, whether it is in love, relationships. Cooperate. I know you are already giving a lot, so maybe cooperate with yourself, learn something new for yourself, do yourself a favor, learn some, give yourself a break or something. This is, angels are saying that right now you don't have opportunities to improve your finances or your career or your love life, but things will change. People will become more receptive. People will open their hearts for you. And also, this teamwork you have shown right now, this patience, it will be rewarded. 8 of Pentacles. Again, you're working very hard, and this success will come. Success will come. Keep working. This is your, you are learning. This is your time of learning. Success is coming. You are like, where is my work? Where is my reward? Where is my money? Where is that Maybe some of you are having exams, so start preparing, because excellent grades can be yours, a lot of success can be yours. So if you're worried about leaving a job or something, I would suggest, if you are doing something right, do it, keep doing it. Knight of Cups, yeah, I do feel some offers are coming for you ahead, both in love and work. So get ready, some new opportunities in love or proposals in love are coming for you. And this will be someone which is more perfect for you. Also, if you are in no contact situation, someone wants to offer you love and work on this partnership with you. You are waiting for this person, probably. So yes, they are coming. Two of wands. I do see, angels say that a lot of, stability is coming your way in the future. Things are not stable right now, things are a bit off balance. But in the future, you will meet people, you can count on them, you can count on the opportunities, on financial blessings. Things will get better. Things will get better for you. Ten of Cups, yes. This ultimate happiness will be yours. Some of you are like, you want to get married, but there is no one, or the relationship is having a lot of ups and downs. You will get married, friends. You will get married. You keep doing what you are doing. Keep working. Keep investing. Keep loving. Keep an open heart. You will achieve that goal. Don't give up. Wheel of Fortune, ultimate success is coming, friends. Things are going to change for you in your work, in your life, in every aspect of your life. Things are going to change and improve for you. Better, a new start is coming. But I see you are already working on something in your career. It will expand. In your love life, it will get better. If you are single, you will find a new lover, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag. Your love life will get better, your finances will get better. Something is out of balance, it will be restored. So don't lose hope, keep working. Look at that, the dog. I think some of you might get a new puppy or some cats, or you will make some new friends ahead. I also see some loyal people are coming your way. Maybe you are missing loyalty in your relationships. It is coming, friends. Loyalty is coming. Number 18 is important for some of you. Let's see what else. Clarity of belief, ace of swords. Breakthroughs are coming, friends. A lot of breakthroughs, and a lot of communications are coming. Like you are waiting for clarity. What you need to do ahead? It is coming. So angels are saying you're on the right path. Don't give up. Keep doing what you are doing. Just stay mature and stay balanced. And don't invest too much of money. That's not the right thing to do right now. Save some money and save some love for yourself. Take rest and get ready. A new start is coming. Share the love. Three of Cups. Yeah, happiness is coming, friends. Some happy moments are coming your way. Someone will share their heart with you, their feelings for you. I'll be doing very soon the reading his current, their feelings for you. So you can watch that also very soon. I'll be uploading it. So celebrations are coming, friends. Celebrations, friendships, and marriage proposals or proposals of friendship or love are coming. So keep ready. And let's see what else. Blessings. Wow, friends, blessings are coming for you. Get ready. Exciting times. Let's see what else is gonna happen for pile number 1. Angel's message. 6th chakra, Archangel Metatron. Yeah, communications are very, very important for you. I think you all are changing or shifting. So, communications, spirituality, healing, yoga, meditation, all those things will be important for some of you or most of you. I would say keep your eyes open, because new opportunities or signs will be guiding you to new things. So keep your eyes open, your ears open. What else for pile number 1? Angels message. Archangel Michael. Number 35. I think there are people or doubts which are stopping you right now, like some toxicity, like fears or health issues. It is going to resolve. Ask Archangel Michael to protect you and keep you safe from all these discord. It will keep, things will happen. Then you have two angels here, look at that. All cards don't have the angels, but two cards of you which you got have angels, Archangel Metatron and Michael. So big things are coming for you, and you are very protected from this envy of others, or this, maybe there is, like, maybe there is discord, people not supporting you because you have Three of Pentacles. So there are people who are not really accepting you or supporting you, a lover, friends, or family. Keep working, maintain a distance, and keep working on your goals. Don't give up. Journey, yeah, you will travel, or success is traveling towards you. Angel of Strength, you are powerful, then keep believing in yourself, friends. Keep believing you are powerful. Let's take some charms for you. For option number 1, what will happen for them? Wow, the Doctor, look at that. If you have any health issues, friends, rest assured your health is going to get better. So you have nothing to worry. Some of you may be becoming doctors or healers. That is your life purpose, to become doctors or healers. Or you may be attracting a doctor or a healer in your life, a spiritual healer. The camera. Some of you, these good moments are coming your way. Celebrations which you will click, pictures where you will click. Celebrations, Three of Cups, happiness, joy, celebrations. The dance. I think some of you are going to be very famous in the future. Maybe dancers, gymnasts, or, models, actors, singers, or maybe you will find some freedom, some happiness, in the future. So you'll feel excited. And also, these could be, photography, health, dancing, yoga, modeling, singing. All these could be things you will do next. Owl, yes, wisdom is coming, opportunities are coming that you are waiting for. So that's a great reading, friends. Very, very nice. You're on the right path. Keep going. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vens Tarot and join us on Instagram. Bye for now. So friends, if you chose this option number 2, this beautiful green ornament, round ornament, this is very nice, very green. Let us see what is the angel's message for you. We'll also be taking the charms. These are your extra oracle messages. Let's see. So let's see what's happening. All right. Wow, this is interesting. The Knight of Pentacles. I feel definitely, right now things are very slow in your life. Things are like either you are very bored or things are very slow in your life in general. So you are like, nah, what's happening? I feel a very slow energy, like things are moving, but you can hardly realize or see that things are moving ahead. You could also be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or you yourself are a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, friends, success is coming. Angels are saying some of you are worried whether you will find success with your family, or whether you will have your own family or finances. Maybe some of you want to shift, relocate, buy a house. You are like, when it will happen? It will happen. You are moving slowly towards that goal, but yes, you are moving towards it. It will happen, and things will get better. Financial secure. If you are right now, are you having house worries? Like you want to move in, your house is not ready, or you want a partner but you are single. So there is some family or house related issue, but it will resolve. It is slowly resolving. It will resolve faster in the future. You are on the right path. That's what the angels are saying. Queen of Rods, yeah, believe in yourself, friends. Some of you are not believing in your power, believing in your destiny. You are more powerful than you know. So keep trusting and keep believing. Sorry for the camera shuffle. Just overlook it. You should believe in your destiny. You are very powerful, and you can change your destiny by your own ambition, your own power, your self-confidence. So believe in yourself. I feel some of you are very young, or maybe you are doing something which is not accepted by your family or people around you, or you are doubting yourself. So don't do that. Friends, you are very powerful and you are going to succeed. Be bold, take the charge. Take the charge and be ambitious. Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for some of you. And the world, yeah, I do see that your destiny is very big, friends. You may travel in the future, relocate to some other country or city. I also feel the challenges which you are facing right now, living issues, home issues, or financial or family issues, they will resolve slowly but very surely. It will resolve. It's You're very close to achieving, resolving it, very very close. So stay bold, and don't give up. I also feel you could be dealing with a long distance partnership, someone who is not in contact with you. Or maybe if you are married, you are having some distance in that marriage, like both of you are not talking, or there is no love, there is no attraction. Things will shift, things will shift, don't worry. I also feel a relationship is stuck. It's not moving because of distance, or because of family has created an issue, or because there is age gap, that is why it is happening. Some issues are happening. Let's see what will happen. The sun, ooh, you are dealing with a twin flame here, so definitely things will get better. Enlightenment is going to happen, awakening is going to happen. And for some of you, success is coming, friends. Big time success is coming, and you deserve it. It is something you are working, you have worked on your confidence level. You will achieve this success, limelight, fame, success. If someone is telling you you can't achieve a goal, don't listen to them. You are destined to achieve that dream, that goal. That maybe like some, you are elderly, someone is telling you you can't lose weight. You can, and in fact you can do it in a very smart way. So don't listen. Whatever you want, it is going to happen. Things are going to be, your future is very positive. Don't give up. Keep working, be bold, keep taking actions. And also your twin flame relationship or an important love connection is healing. Who? Two of Cups. Interesting. I definitely feel, friends, love is coming your way. Whether you want it or not, I don't know. Love is coming. It is coming from a different city, a different country, and probably with age gap they are coming. But this person and you are perfect for each other. There will be friendship, there will be happiness, there will be a mutual respect and sharing. Something is shifting. New connections or a renewed love connection is coming. Interesting. And I think some of you are waiting for this person. This could be your twin flame, or this could be your deep soulmate. For others it is a new person, and they are good, they are beautiful. Star wish is coming true. Yes, this is a dream come true relationship for some of you. You might end up getting married with this person, so yoo-hoo. And I feel this is a match made in heaven, so get ready. And some of you, friends, your creativity is going to get even better. So keep investing in your creativity, your talents, your gifts. Don't give up. Some of you are trying to manifest a house or some, shift or relocate. Yes, it is going to happen. Keep working, keep taking charge. Also, I see pregnancy is going to happen for some of you, getting pregnant, starting a family, expanding a family. That's going to happen. Ace of Swords, look at that. Success is coming, friends. I think you are stuck right now. You are stuck in a situation, or things are very slow. This is 10-10 energy. Look at that, 10-10, and 1. Look at that. So major changes are coming, big breakthroughs. I think you are not going to recognize your life in the coming few years, because it's going to change like a switch. It is going to shift, and it is like you were hidden, and suddenly the entire, this sun is shining in your life, and you are like, you find this love, you are happy, you're confident, and you'll be like, wow. And how you did it? Because you didn't give up. Don't give up. Keep believing, keep trusting, keep fighting. You're very close, friends. You're very close. And now you'll say it is positive. No, it is not. You still have work to do, friends. You still have work to do. Keep working. Don't give up. You deserve it. Let's see your oracle messages. Oh, the beer, number 15. Yeah, I think someone is. You are very protective about your dreams, your goals. And I think some of you are also very protective about your partnerships. You want a soul connection, a deep soul connection, or someone very destined is coming towards you, you know. Beer is like you have seen grizzly bears, they are super protective of what they have, like food and their babies. They don't leave easily. Bears are also very cuddly, you can cuddle them. So something very comforting is coming your way, and they will protect you also very strongly. Maybe a work or a job or a lover, I see both. It could be a situation that will related to money coming your way, or a love relationship coming your way, which is very protective and also very sweet. Also, I feel there is someone wearing a mask, friends. That mask will be revealed. Someone is not telling you how much they like you. It's going, all is going to shift. Some major shifts are going to happen. Just breathe. Yeah, this is relax right now. You're doing the best things you can right now. This is not a time to frustrate or get irritated or get negative. Number 4 is like stay sure that yes, this is going to happen for you. Third eye chakra, number 6, listen to your intuition. Listen to the signs you are getting, listen to the dreams you are getting. A very, very intuitive connection is coming your way. I also see you will know before job opportunities come your way. You are going to get an idea. If you are waiting for a project or a job or travel issues, you are waiting to travel, relocate, you will get the signs. Look at it, follow it, believe it, trust it. Going forward, things are going to move forward for you, friends. No one can stop it now, nobody. Your life is going to change. Happiness is coming. Security, financial security is coming. It's beautiful. Thinking man, number 46. I see you are manifesting these things into your life. Some of you will be working or learning a lot in the future, and it will bring you a lot of success. You will do something in the future which, if you are already doing it, even then your success will be very high in the future. Also, this could be a new relationship coming, which is perfect for you. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Angel of balance, 4 and 8. 4 is stability, 8 is destiny. So stay balanced because your destiny is about to reveal itself. Patience, oh my god. That's not a word you want to hear. I know that. I know that. Oh my god. But we all need to be patient, friends, right now because 2021 is going to, although this is timeless, but the time scales we are in right now, things are going to be very quick ahead. So it won't be long before things start to get better for you. Just a little bit of patience, like just a wee bit. Anything else for pile 2? Garden and the gate. I think take some time, enjoy, connect with fresh flowers, go out in a park, get some sun. Look, here is a park, here is a park, here is an open space. Everywhere there is a park in here or nature. So connect with nature. Let's see some charms for you. Pile number 2. Wow. Message is coming, friends. Mail is coming. So you are waiting for some messages, they are coming. You are waiting for some sort of a mail, they are coming for you, friends. They are really, really coming. And get ready. If you are waiting for exam results or exams, the news is coming. So start preparing. Crown, yes, excellent success is coming. Destined success. I told you, friends. Some of you will do something which is going to bring you a lot of fame. Maybe it's music, maybe it is, you become healers, financial analyst, bankers. I don't know what you do, but whatever you are going to do, fame is coming. Fame is coming. It is destined for you. Look at that. This looks like a headband, rubber band, hair clip. But I see this as number 8, infinity also. If you see closely, it looks like an 8 figure here. So I think a wish come true, a fond wish will come true for you. Something you haven't expected but you always wanted, it will come true for you in the future. This is the temple. So yeah, stay balanced, friends. Stay balanced. Do things. Don't lose your patience. If you have I see that you may find, if you are waiting for success at work or education, it is coming. So trust yourself. And you may find love at work also. So, yeah, that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join me on Instagram. And this is Mystic C Singh. Bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 2, this bottle, let us see. Option number 3, sorry, I don't know why I said 2. Maybe you should check out number 2 also. First watch this, then go back and check number 2. Option number 3, the bottle, let us see what's going to happen. What is the angel's message? These are your oracle messages. And we'll be pulling some charms. Let's see what's the angel's message for you right now. All right. You're feeling frustrated, friends. Eight of Swords. Very frustrated, very, very unhappy. You feel like you can't fly. You are a bird. You want to fly. You can't see a way out of your current situation. You are stuck. You feel unhappy. In fact, I see you might be feeling like you can't do anything. God is bad. Destiny is bad. Nothing is happening. You feel restricted. So this is a tough energy right now, but let's see. I think, yeah, nine of wands. So, you are very close to achieving a goal. Things are about to shift for you. This restrictions, this feeling of stuck energy, this feeling like life will not change for you. You can't do anything. Life is not, there is no God. There is a sense of hopelessness. It is going to change. Keep fighting, friends. Don't give up. 8 and 9. You are moving ahead even though you may not see it right now. Angels are saying it is a time to fight and open these, don't let your fears stop you. Do something, change your thinking, change your ideas, and keep moving. You are very close to achieving. Things are going to change for you. Look, 8 of Wands. Yes, communications are coming your way. Help is coming your way. I see some of you are feeling very alone, like you have nobody to help you out. You have no help, no understanding, no love. There are no people. Help is coming, friends. Help is definitely on its way to you. And your job is to say yes when it arrives. And your job is to ask also, hey, I need some help. Whatever it is, maybe it is at work you need some help, or like you're looking for a job but you are not applying anywhere and spamming on YouTube. Don't do that. I think people are a little free, so they are doing things. I don't mind it. I perfectly don't mind it. It doesn't waste my time, friends. But the thing is, if you don't apply for a job or don't talk to people, how are you gonna get a job? So go out and talk to people online, tell you are looking for a job, talk to people, share. You also have to accept this help and let people know you are looking or seeking. I think some of you are waiting for some travel issues, or there are some, you're waiting for exams to happen or messages to come in, or you're waiting to travel back home or something. It will happen. You just let things know, let the other people know. 7 of Pentacles. Again, some weight is there. You're on the right path. Money is gonna come your way. This patience and this hard work is going to pay off. It is just a matter of time before things will start crackling for you. Have you ever lighted a pile of woods? Have you ever tried it? Like if you put sticks around and light it up with a match stick for a fire, it takes a lot of time. If there are, hard wood there, it takes a lot of time to make it a fire. But if you add some dry leaves or something, it picks very quickly. And once the fire picks up, it is very long lasting and it doesn't stop. So that is how it is right now. Things are not starting, but once they start, they'll be very, very quick. Once you start getting this, this new job, you'll be very busy, more money will be there. And I also see some of you are not preparing, you are worrying more than working. So it is time to work rather than think. Work more, invest your time, invest wisely. What are you investing in? You're waiting and you're worrying, so don't do that. Invest your time. Lovers, yes, choices are coming for you. You will have some choices. Right now, you have no choice, but in the future, you will have choice, both in love and in your work and education. So get ready for it, friends. Choices will come. Also, you will find something that you are passionate about. Right now, you feel like life is not so passionate. There is no passion, there is no connection, there is no excitement, but keep working. Don't, it is when you see no hope, keep working. That's the best thing. What else can we do, right? So something is coming your way, something exciting, and you're very close to achieving it. 9, 8, 9, 7, you're very close. 7, 8, 9, very close to achieving it. Hanged man, yes, things are going to get better for you. You have to see this weight, this frustration, this worry into, see things from a different perspective, friends. This time is very vital for you. See things, worry less, act more. Don't use learn something new. Also, I see a relationship will pick up. Maybe there is a relationship whereas there is, things are stuck, you are not talking, there is a lot of fear, you feel it is lust, you feel the person is defensive, you're married, you could be married to them, or maybe you're just not open to love right now, so you are defensive about it. So give it some time, think differently. Think differently. So think about it. Universe, I don't know why I said universe. I think differently. The universe may have a different or a better plan for you. Keep your mind open. I think you are saying, I keep hearing you, pile number 3, saying like, no, this won't happen for me. This won't happen. I won't find love. I don't even need love. There are no trustworthy people. It's only about physical things. I think it's time to think differently. Keep an open mind. Like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you can say like this. I don't know. Maybe universe can surprise me with a better relationship. I don't know. Maybe the universe or this, maybe a better working environment or a better working or the communications, maybe they will come. Maybe I can travel right now. Maybe I can make more money. You never know. So keep that maybe in your sentences. Empress, yes, you're very close to achieving something, friends. You're very close to starting something new, probably a job or probably a business. If you are already you have already started a business, things are slow, don't give up. Things will get better in the coming future. Maybe it will take a year, but it will get better. Also, some of you want to get, start a family. Some of you want to get married, but things are not working out. So don't give up. It's time to see things in a positive way. Don't be negative. Don't worry. Think less, act more. Temperance, stay balanced, and keep I see help is coming, new connections or help is coming your way. Try to accept it and keep your spiritual and your work life in balanced. I see like your love life and work life is completely out of balance. You should try to bring it in balance. Chariot, stuck things, there is no movement right now, but things are going to shift in the future. Your love life, work, education, things will pick up. It will be so fast. You will wonder why you were worrying this time. You will miss this slow time. You'll be like, oh, we had so much free time then. Why we didn't enjoy it? Mark my words, friends. You're gonna miss it. And yes, in the future, if you make sure to write down everything you're thinking about, because these are good ideas. You will be working on them. Maybe starting a business, or maybe it is an idea to make some more money. And yeah, if you are single, you are going to find this woman or a man who is perfect, who is a life partner. So get ready. You're very close. House, look at that, number 4. Friends, yes, some of you are going to buy your own homes in the future, your own house. Some of you are going to relocate. Yes, it will happen for job or education. It is slow, or you will start a new business or something, or open a new company. It will happen. Just give it some time. You're very close. Coming together, number 2, 2 of cups. Yes, things are coming together for you. And look, it is like they are lighting a fire. So keep working on what you are doing and don't worry so much. Rebuilding, number 16. rebuilding. You're changing your life, friends. You're building, you're picking up things, and you're building your life. Your future will have more money, more success. All these worries, this pain, this unhappy, stuck energy, this won't happen again. It's just for now. Things will, you have made up your mind that you will improve your life. It will improve. Happiness is coming your way, friends. And I think right now also you should focus on happiness rather than worrying so much. Ooh, walking away, number 27. Maybe you are upset a relationship ended, or someone walked away, or you walked away. I think somewhere you are like, why they left you, why this person left you. Maybe you will not find anyone better. It was your twin flame or someone important to you. I think destiny has much better ideas for you. Don't worry. Maybe that person will come back, or someone else will come back. Hostility. Yeah, you are being a little tough on yourself right now. Don't do that, friends. Number 27, 26 are important for you. Look, number 34, door to personal healing and happiness. Again, happiness, happiness. Friends, can you now feel like this won't happen for you? It will happen for you. Trust me. The only thing who can stop it is probably you. Much sorry to say, but even I do that sometimes, so don't worry, we all are guilty of it. Door to personal healing and happiness. Success is coming. New doors will open. Any other message? Spiritual contract. Yes, your destiny, the things you are going to do, they are happening for you. The contracts you are waiting, they will open up or start for you in the future. Maybe some of you will start a project, PhD, or get a job that is, or education that is perfect. You also have a soul contract, a spiritual connection coming your way. Yoo-hoo. Very nice. So I want to do the charms. I love doing these. Look at this sound. So pile number 3. Wow, the bird. Freedom is coming, friends. You want freedom. It is coming your way. That's what you want, freedom. Right? To fly away from these negativity. It is coming. It is going to happen. The stethoscope. Some of you have a destiny to become healers, doctors, nurses, or you could be attracting a healing connection, or you will, if you are married, your destiny is to bring a child who is a healer, a doctor, a nurse, or something like that. This also means peace. Health is going to be better for you. And I have no idea. They look like actually islands, little islands, or clouds. Yeah, they look like clouds to me. Don't think so much, friends. You are too much in your thoughts. In fact, I'm getting a headache. Are you having a headache right now? Or maybe just before you were watching the reading? So don't think so much, don't think so much. Let's see, dance. Get yourself moving so it change, your energy shifts. Snake. Yeah, big changes are coming for your life, friends. Big things are going to happen. Rebuild, transformation. Snake is changes. So get ready. All the best. Magic, like and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.